I'm Mary from North Spore. Thanks for purchasing a spray and grow kit. We hope this is the beginning of a long and fruitful journey of mushroom growing. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up your mushroom kit and answer some questions that you might have along the way. Your kit is a living organism, so it's best to start it as soon as you can. But if you have to wait, store it somewhere cool, dark, and dry for up to 6 weeks. All of these species are really vigorous and should grow easily on your kitchen counter. The pink oysters like it a little bit warm. Lion's mane likes it a little bit cool. The blues and the goldens are easily adaptable, so they can grow in a wide range of temperatures. We designed these kits to be an easy and fun introduction to growing mushrooms. All of the species we've selected are really vigorous growers, and we guarantee they will produce mushrooms for you. Inside, you'll find everything you need to get started, including detailed instructions and a spray bottle to keep your kit hydrated. Getting your kit set up is super simple. There's really only 4 steps. Open up your box, slice an X into the bag, and spray your kit daily. In about 2 weeks, your mushrooms should be ready to harvest. We'll walk you through all of these steps in a little bit more depth and give you some tips along the way. Welcome to the mycological world. Now that we've opened up the box, we can get a good look at the kit inside. That's not mold, it's mycelium. What we're looking at here is sawdust that's been completely colonized by mushroom mycelium. Just like the mushrooms look different, their mycelium is going to have some variation too, and we can see that between these kits. Golden oyster and blue oyster tend to form dense white mats of mycelium. Sometimes they even have these sort of yellow liquid droplets in them, which is totally fine. Pink oyster and lion's mane, on the other hand, tend to form finer or lighter mycelium. Pink oyster sometimes even has a little bit of a pink hue to it. If you see some baby mushrooms forming or pins forming in your bags, that's totally normal. If you notice a crack in your kit or it looks a little bit crumbled up, it's possible that happened in shipping. Go ahead and let your kit sit for about a week to allow the pieces to refuse back together before moving on to the next step. Next, we're going to be slicing an X into the front of the kit. You don't need to open it up any more than that. This exposes the mycelium to a little bit of air, but maintains a humid environment. Both of these things are key to mushroom formation. Spray your kit a couple of times, 2 or 3 times a day, to keep it hydrated. We recommend that you keep your kit somewhere with good ambient humidity, like next to your kitchen sink. A little bit of natural light can be good for your mushrooms to develop deep, rich color, but too much direct sun can tend to dry a kit out. If your kit is seeming really dry, you can always build a humidity tent. With proper maintenance, each of our kits can produce multiple flushes of mushrooms over the next several months. Just keep on spraying.